Hello guys, this is Ka-Bisdak or Bisayang Dako Tech Review. Ito po ang kauna-unahang produkto or gadget na i-review natin. Sa pagsasabi ko nga doon sa vlog content ko, i-review natin yung mga nabibili natin online na hindi ganong kilala na brands at wala talagang review. Pero except doon sa mismong site ng product kung saan natin ito nabibili. Which hindi tayo sure kung totoo to or hindi. So, tingnan natin at kilatisin at mismo subukan if sulit talaga bilhin or hindi. Dahil hindi rason yung sapat na ito dahil mura or dahil nakasale. Okay, let's start. Ang gadget po nito ay isang mechanical wired keyboard. Ito po ay ang K28 Blue Switch Mechanical Backlighting Gaming Keyboard, which is the black edition, and it has 87 keys. Now, for the key features, kinumbine ko po yung mismong nasa box and yung mismong nasa website na nilagay ni seller. So, first is the 4 LED color, orange, blue, green, red, backlight LED lights for using at nighttime. And it looks amazing. Yeah, tama po yan. Interface type, you can plug it on USB 1.1, 2.0, and even for 3.0. I tested it po sa 2.0 and 3.0, so it works. And for the ergonomic design, yes, it is supported because of the palm rest. And then there are 10 kinds of lighting effects, 8 default plus 2 definition. And then suspension type, double color keycap, high quality mechanical switches. Then real mechanical keyboard, yes, it is. And then it is compatible with Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Mac. But for the box itself, the Mac, it's not shown sa mismong box, so I don't know if compatible ba talaga siya sa iOS. So I can't test it as well kasi I don't have any MacBook. Now for the specifications, cable length of the keyboard is 1.5 meters, and it's also a plug and play function. And then it has 87 keys, and the key life is 50 million times. Fact check. How long are millions of keystrokes and clicks in years? The lifespan of the switches used in modern keyboards and mice is measured in key presses and clicks because the time base measured would not apply to all users. Depending on how much you type and click, the same mouse and the same keyboard lasts different time than for other people by Digital Citizen. Which is, I agree po. Kasi depende po yan sa gumagamit talaga. Meron iba kasi mabibigat ang mga kamay kung minsan kung makapindot, wagas. So, I agree with it. Okay, simulan na natin kung ano ang makikita sa mismong loob ng box. So, nilabas ko na siya lahat. So, first is yung mismong keyboard. So, physically, okay naman siya. And then, second is yung mismong palm rest. So, important to. So, ikakabit mo lang siya sa mismong ilalim ng keyboard. And then, yung mismong keycap puller or remover, if ever you need to upgrade the keys of your keyboard. Minsan kasi we customize it. Minsan pinapalitan natin yung W, A, S, D for games or something. And then, also, pinaka-importante is dapat marunong din tayo magbasa ng manual. Kasi importante yung manual, if ever you have some questions, especially you need some guides yung paano mag-change ng lights ng mismong keyboard. So that's it. Okay, it's review time. Anong masasabi ko sa mismong mechanical keyboard nito after using it for almost a month? So for the pros itself is the lights. It has futuristic look and then changeable design, so hindi siya boring. And then yung keys is really responsive, and I really like the clicking sound of a mechanical keyboard. And then one thing is that yung functionality niya is really 100% working. So for the palm rest, it's an added comfort, so it's a plus. And then especially the keys itself is replaceable, so it's customizable. So I would recommend it for the gamers out there. And then for the cons, it's really my fault because I was expecting for the 87 keys meron siyang separate na numpad keys. So I think that's only the con for me. So everything is okay. So for the final verdict, yes, I highly recommend the product na bilhin niyo. for the price, nabili ko yung product ko for only 999. Naka-sale siya at the time. Pero ngayon, when I try to check the website, especially the online seller na nabilan ko, presyo niya is already 1,199 pesos. So, nilagay ko na, round off ko na siya. So, 999 pesos to 1,200. So, hindi ko alam kung kasama siya sa magiging September 9 na sale. Okay, that's it. Dito na po nagtatapos yung mismong vlog natin. And sana po meron kayong natutunan sa mismong product at sa akin na din. Also, please don't forget to like this video. Please do subscribe and click the notification button for future video reviews. Salamat mga Ka-Bisdak, proud Bisdak for life.